my name was always attached to some label, such as dramatic, trouble, crazy, too intense, too sensitive, disturbed, alcoholic, party girl, and many others. And then when I was able to turn my life around, it was how lucky she is, how blessed, how fortunate. But there's two things that people didn't know. And before I carry on, let me share what is it I'm talking about. What is the topic I want to share with you today is how to turn your life struggles into miracles. So, number one, all those labels, they were only my fair share of ignorance that I have to go through. Like every human being, we have to transit the ignorance path. That is the one that you're full of limiting beliefs and conditioning, mind condition that is not serving you. You have to make lots of mistakes so you can learn from them, so you can evolve. So that's all it was, that path. And number two, when I changed my life, it was because I did the inner work. The inner work so I can have the life I wanted with inner peace, happiness, and love. So that's all it is, but people often, they don't see that, right? Now, it sounds all nice, well, Adriana, you changed your life, you turn it into miracles, but how did you do that? And that's exactly what I want to share. Now, before I do that, I really need to ask you this. Please, don't believe me. Don't believe anything of what I'm saying. The formula and the process that helped me to transform my life, it can help you. But instead of believing me, I just want you to try it out for yourself, and then give yourself the chance to verify results. Now, the reason I'm saying this is because maybe you don't need to change anything, right? That was my story, that was my path. Now, if your results are that you are fulfilled, that you live a happy life, your relationships are wonderful and loving, and you live in abundance and everything is perfect, then you don't need to do absolutely anything. But if it's not, if the results that you're having right now, they're not the ones that you want, then I do suggest to listen to this and also to maybe open the door to go and dig deeper. Okay? That sounds good? Wonderful. Now, the first thing I had to do to create this miraculous transformation I'm always sharing about everywhere with whoever that listens is I have to empty my cup. Obviously, figuratively speaking, my cup was full of beliefs based in fear, religious belief, cultural beliefs, all of these things that did not serve me anymore. I don't think they ever did, but I understand that that was just how it was meant to be, so I can transcend them now and get to where I am. Okay, so I have to empty all that out. I have to admit it. I have to face the fact that I needed something else. Something needed to change. So first step, recapping. Empty your cup, or in other words, relearn. I had to relearn everything that I've been told, everything that I filtered by different experience. I had to organize my past so I could change the perception I have from it to get to the point of actually being grateful for those life experience that one time I thought they were ruining my life and I was not gonna survive, and life was just tears, suffering, and battles and all of that, right? So I have to relearn a new way, and that was by getting new information, by consciously have been able to create a new set of beliefs and values that were actually aligned with the person and the life I wanted to live. So for that, yes, I had to do a lot of inner work. I have to clean up my house, but in this subject, it's our consciousness. And then I have to face and accept and adapt and to appreciate and to be thankful for. And I have to use all of these tools that I had in front of me so I could actually transcend from that point to this point, right? So empty your cup, relearn, and then once I get new information, I can reprogram my mind with these new beliefs and values, with these actual verified truths. Yes, because we can't go on life just believing something without even knowing if that's actually something that is verified and it is truth. How can we verify that it's truth? Well, by the results that you get. So because I have inner peace and love and happiness, then I can tell you that that is true. That gets me those results, so that's why I stick to that, okay? And step number 3 is to train on them every single day. It's not only about repetition, affirmations, and the credit, and I'm gonna practice the law of attraction and do this and do that. No, that's only part of it. Every day we have to actually get into massive action, practicing every single day this new programming. How do we do that? We have tools that are very actionable. Then every day we set the intentions to live by them, such as gratitude, full acceptance, adapting, service, universal love, and many more that I wish I had more time to share all of this, but my time is up. So those are the 3 things that you can start now to change your life like I did. I'm Adriana Mendez Snowden, and I am an inspired Latina. Thank you very much.